just gonna go and see stuff that I see no rhyme or reason that needs some. Hello my lovely flowers, it's me Nia with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. So I am doing a Alice in Wonderland theme event for the city that I live in, and I am doing them in, since it was like kind of like the, what was the guy who was it, the guy who was drinking the tea party man, whatever. So that's going to be the centerpieces. But I thought this would be a cute idea for Mother's Day too, if you have like a tea party and want to do kind of like a teapot or a tea gift or whatever for maybe your tables, or give to some of your friends or family. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to create a tea, not a teapot, but a teacup arrangement, okay? So anyway, we have our floral foam, and all I'm gonna do with this is I'm going to kind of get a general idea of how much I kind of need, and this is kind of what I do. And I'm just gonna go and cut around to kind of get a general idea. And then also, you guys, I'm gonna keep it the length of it because I want it to kind of protrude out, because I want it to be big and round. So let's see, we kind of cut around it, then I'm just gonna jam it in here to see. Awesome. So this is kind of like the size that I'm going to get. So I'll be right back. I'm going to dump, I'm going to put this in water. All right, so it's nice and wet. I'm going to just kind of secure it back in there, and then let us get the flowers that we're going to be using. So you guys, the recipe that I have for this is Gerber daisies, spray roses, hot pink, yellow pom-pom mums, Alstroemeria, Gunnii eucalyptus, pink roses, Waxflower, lemon leaf, and Dusty Miller. So let's see. Let's start with the flowers. I think it'll be best to start with the flowers. So we're going to start with my Gerbers. And I just have 2. I know you guys are supposed to do 3, but this was on a budget, and I needed all my different colors. So we're going to just do 2 of our lovely Gerber daisies. And then let's use our roses. And we have how many? Our spray roses, we have 2, which is this right here. We have 2 of those, 2 stems. So we're gonna grab 2 stems of our lovely. I'm gonna cut it a little bit more. Just add. Ooh, should be wearing gloves. It's prickly. So 2 of those. Then we're going to add in 2 of my lovely roses. So I'm going to, they're super fresh. I'm just going to pull off some of these, what are they called, bump roses. And let me see if I can, oops. I want to kind of blow it. I want it to be a little bit more blooms, but we got what we got. And I'm gonna put this on the side. Then we have our Alstroemeria. We have 3 stems of Alstroemeria. And what I like about Alstroemeria is how you see there's so many different blooms on here. So we're going to put 3 stems of this, and I'm going to stick it one on the side. They're so fresh, they haven't even really, see, they need to bloom like this. I think I'm going to keep some of them out. Let me see. Put it a little bit more. And I think I'm going to put another one right there. You know what? I'm gonna move this more to the side and put this one right. And I think I'm gonna take him out right here and kind of put more right there. Now I don't suggest all the time doing that. I'm designing with you guys on how I want it to go. Then we have yellow mums and Waxflower. Let me see. So our yellow mummies. How many stems do I have of this? The yellow mum. So just one really. So I'm just going to take, which I shouldn't be doing it that way. I'm going to just take them and kind of cut. Kind of add them in. I want this one to go a little bit lower as well as this one. I'm just going to put these in spots. We have our Alstroemeria. Now I'm going to come in with my Waxflower. And I'm going to take about a stem, kind of separate it. Oh, you know what? No. Let's come in with my lemon leaf. So I'm going to take about this. Let's come in with a little bit of lemon leaf. And just going to put it in kind of my holy area. And then let's come in with, my little area is so junky. Let's come in with the Eucalyptus. And then we're going to come in with our Dusty Miller. So we're going to come in with one stem. And with the Dusty, it's kind of like, I'm just going to kind of split up. Stick it in there. Now we got that in there. Now we're gonna come in with my Waxflower. And I'm just gonna go and see stuff that I see no rhyme or reason that needs some. Right here it needs something. All right, so I think we got it going. We got it going on. Yes, yes, yes. Now I'm going to take this lemon leaf. I'm going to look at the bottom and whatever I feel needs covering up from the bottom, I'm going to come through and take my lemon leaf and kind of hide it. Whatever, if I see any, because I see a little bit. Like I'm gonna put a little bit of more Waxflower right here because it needed it. And let's see, right there. There we go. So this is my beautiful arrangement with all these lovely colors going on. And I thought, like I said, I thought it would be a really cute idea for Mother's Day to kind of do something in a little teacup. So there's no little teacup. I do see, like right here, I need to put something. So I'm just gonna put in a few things. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. If you're not a member, go ahead and become one. And I'll see you next time. Bye.